I'd like to show you a couple of alternatives to using the cotton sleeves with our Velcro that comes with your Silver Pulsar unit. And the first thing is simply a paper towel. And this is just your ordinary paper towel material. And you're basically going to roll your own. And in order to do that, you need to get this moistened or else it'll be too difficult to handle. So I'm just going to get a bit of water here and get a little bit moist. And once it's fully moistened, and you can see the paper towel is cut to the width and length of the probe cord to make sure it fits properly. And you're just going to place it on the probe cord like this, and you're going to start rolling it. I have fat fingers here, so it'll take a bit. Turn the end in, and just keep rolling it. Keep rolling it. It's a little tricky to do. And eventually you'll get to the point where it's nicely rolled up. You're good to go. That's kind of cool too. It'll actually hold that shape as it dries out a bit, and as you can remove it from the probe cord here, and you can see it holds its shape very well. So that works quite nicely. The second option here is to use a diaper material. This is like a cotton that you would get in a diaper material, which is very absorbent for water. That's why we chose the diaper material. Again, it's cut into a square, the same width and length as the probe cord. This one, of course, you'll have to also moisten. I've pre-moistened this so it's easier to handle. You're going to do the same kind of thing. You're going to set it up like this, and you're going to roll it just like you did with the other one. Take the end and move it in a bit and roll it. And like I say, it's tough for me because I got large fingers here. Now this is not going to hold the shape like the paper towel because it is a cloth material. So now you need to get a bit of the thread. I've just got a bit of cotton thread here, and basically pinch it and start spiraling it down the length, and you work your way back and you make a nice pattern with it. Now you can take the thread and tie it into a knot. It's too difficult for me to do that on this, so I'll just show you, and you can tie the knot on yours if you like. And there it is, and it holds the shape nicely. You can slide it out, and when it dries out, you can slide it back in, so it works quite well. And we also have an option of a cotton sleeve that does not have the Velcro on the back. Some of you may find that this is more convenient to use for whatever reason. And with this particular one, as you can see, it's just like the ones with Velcro. It's sewn on 3 sides, which leaves one side open. And what you want to do is just pop that open by pushing it. And it's got double layers, so you want to make sure that you get 2 layers on the top, 2 layers on the bottom, so it's equally positioned between the probes. And then you just take the probe, position into that little hollow that you've created here, and work its way, and there it is. And again, sort of spiral it into place. Make sure it's pushed all the way in, right to the end. And it's all done there. Now to use this, of course, we need to get that moistened and wet. So I'm going to take my dropper bottle, and it's going to bead up like this. So we're going to take it and just sort of work itself in, work the water in. It's very common. So you just get it and you work it in, that type of thing. We'll get our second one going here. Again, we'll open it up a bit and we'll slide it into place. Let's just do that like this. Right to the end. Make sure it's nice and snug. Get some more water. And again, it's going to bead up a bit, so you want to squirt the water in and really work it into the cotton to get it nice and moist. And again, you don't want to over moisten it, but you want to have it nicely saturated like these. And now we're ready to take these and connect them to our wrist.